Hi, Kickstarter. I'm Chris Lewicki, President and Chief Engineer at Planetary Resources. In addition to mining asteroids, we came up with another big idea.
An idea to bring space within reach for everyone. One that will transform the way that we interact with our cosmos and our own planet. And here it is, the world's first crowd-funded space telescope for you to control.
Members on our engineering team have built every U.S. lander sent to Mars in the last 15 years. We know how to put stuff into space.
Operating a rover on another planet was an incredible experience, one that not many have had. I would like to share that experience with as many people as possible, and I can do that with the Arkyd.
Not only will you be able to join the search for potentially hazardous asteroids, examine distant galaxies, or inspect our own solar system, you will be able to send a picture of yourself into space for the entire universe to see. As part of our mission to identify and mine asteroids, we've made every aspect of the spacecraft smaller and more efficient than previous space observatories. The Arkyd has a comparatively large main optic, deployable solar panels, specialized communications antenna, onboard screen, and a camera arm so it can take pictures of itself orbiting the Earth.
I think the Arkyd-100 project really kind of embodies this idea of human beings exploring the perimeters of possibility. This is what we do. We are wonder junkies. Support the Arkyd-100 project.
For $25, the team will display the image of your choice on the Arkyd Space Telescope, snap a photo of it with the Earth in the background, and send it to you. Yeah, $25, and you get your picture on display in outer space with the Earth as the backdrop. Things like this emphasize the reality of what we're doing here. This project bridges the gap between the Earth's surface and outer space both physically and psychologically. All of us down here are going to be doing something together up there.
We'll be developing a web and mobile platform so you can upload and receive your photos, get updates on the progress of the satellite, and see the countdown timer until launch. Donate your time on the telescope to science, or use the telescope to take your own photo of the moon, another planet, or deep space. There's so many opportunities for science, education, and creativity. That's why we want to get this into people's hands.
If I could have a young person here and say, would you like to take a picture of Mars with a telescope that's in space now? Would you like to see what you can find that nobody else has found before? That gets somebody involved, interested and excited about what they can do, not about what somebody else does.
With the Arkyd, we'll go beyond test scores and inspire the next generation's passion for discovery and exploration.
Hi, I'm Laura Danley, Curator of Griffith Observatory.
I'm Paul Hoffman. I'm the CEO of Liberty Science Center.
Hi, I'm Nicole Small with the Pro Museum in Dallas.
Hi, I'm David Mosita, the President of the Museum of Science and Industry in Chicago, and our members would love.
We are so excited.
We're very excited.
We would love for the people of Los Angeles and around the world to have access to an orbiting space observatory.
A space telescope freely available to the world is simply revolutionary. What I really like about it is how it will show the world that space is accessible.
We have students waiting in the wings to use this telescope. The picture is an amazing cool factor, and I have absolute confidence that this will draw student interest from all over the world.
I would love to get a picture of myself in space.
Yeah, that'd be awesome. Just be like, hey man, I have a picture of myself in space. Do you have that?
I wish I could have taken a photo of myself in space when I was a kid.
I'm excited to back this Arkyd Space Telescope KickStarter project, which will help average citizens just like us explore the cosmos around us.
If things go well for the Arkyd-100 telescope, you could have it on orbit and you could tell it where to go. So think about it. Start kicking for science.
So that's our plan. While our primary mission is to prospect and mine asteroids, we also want to inspire a new generation about space and all of its potential. We've come a long way, but we need your support to get this idea off the ground. Make your pledge and join us as we invent the future.